lot of people buy a Medicare Advantage plan. They buy an MA-Only, meaning there's no drug coverage. So if you want to stick with the lingo here for retirement, you got to know the difference between an MA and an MAPD, Medicare Advantage plan with Part D. The vast majority of plans that people buy are MAPDs, Medicare Advantage, the health component with the drug component built in. But some people go, the MA is cheaper. It's cheaper, it's got a higher Part B give back, it's got a higher dental. I don't really use any drugs anyway, or I get some cheap drug that I get a discount for, so I don't really need the drug benefit. Now this is rife with potential problems. If you're not eligible to get your drugs through the VA, through TRICARE, through Champ VA, and you don't buy your drug benefit when you're first eligible for Medicare, then we can get into late penalties for Medicare Part D. I go into late penalties for Part A, rare, Part B, common, Part D, fixing to be way more common as more people drop their Part D coverage as it really goes up in price in a lot of areas this year. So people are like, yeah, I'm good. I don't really use expensive drugs. I don't really take any drugs. I'll buy an MA plan that doesn't cover drugs. And I don't have drug coverage anywhere else. So like I said, I'm separating out veterans that have a different situation with their drug coverage. So people buy that MA-Only plan. And then later, maybe the next year, they're like, I really need a drug component. So they just go and they enroll in a drug plan. They see videos. I've made videos on how to go to Medicare.gov and choose a standalone, just a separate Medicare Part D drug plan. They're like, okay, Sylvia explained it. It's real easy. Boom, boom, boom. And they enrolled themselves in a Part D drug plan. Now, what people don't understand because they're not availing themselves to professional advice, which the Medicare Family gives for free, but they're like, it's easy, I'm just going to do it. What they don't know is that when you enroll in a Part D drug plan, it will disenroll you from your Medicare Advantage only plan, your MA-Only plan. And most people don't find that out until after they go to the doctor and they're like, you don't have any drug insurance, you just have Medicare, government Medicare, A and B. And you're like, no, I have a Medicare Advantage plan. Nope. You terminated that by enrolling into your standalone drug coverage. So if you want a Medicare Advantage plan with drug coverage, you have to buy them together. You have to buy a Medicare Advantage Part D plan, an MAPD. And like I said, that is the majority of plans that are sold. Don't think you're outsmarting the system by buying the MA-Only, which they do have. They do have lower out-of-pocket benefits in general. They do have higher dental benefits. They do have, a lot of them have money back for your Part B premiums. So they're attractive. They can be more attractive because they're not covering your drugs. So you can see how that works, right? So don't think you're outsmarting them by getting this really attractive component and then going over here and getting your own Part D because you're going to terminate the Medicare Advantage plan. Now, like everything I talk about, and I'm sorry about that, but like everything, there's exceptions. So the exception is for two types of Medicare Advantage plans that are very, very rare, but I got to throw it out there for those of you in a rural area where you could have a type of Medicare Advantage plan called a private fee-for-service plan or a Medicare savings account, MSA. They're rare. There's only one company in the nation that offers an MSA. It's not very common. And PFFS, very uncommon. But if you're that rural listener, yeah, you're an exception. You can buy separate drug coverage. So I just spent the whole video saying, beware, don't try separate. But these very exceptional places, you can buy a separate drug plan without terminating your health plan. Ideally, you are working with a specialist. I've been doing this for 30 years. My parents started this 45 years ago. I'm going on 46 years ago. Our help is free. So why do it alone? Why risk making these mistakes? We're paid as independent contractors by dozens and dozens of insurance companies. They pay us to help you. So avail yourself of free professional help. You just go to our website, the Medicare Family. It's a yellow button, book your own appointment. We're licensed in all 50 states. So wherever you are, we're familiar with all the different types of Medicare Advantage plans. We'll educate you, help you enroll, help you after you enroll for the rest of your life with all your changes. Again, it's all free. If you learned something today, please give me a follow, a share, a like, tell your friends about the Medicare Family. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.